we discussed about the bt crops पढ़ाइतला बोध है. So see, first of all, try to understand. Last class I told you about the cryogene. So again I repeated that topic because in the Zoom class it may be you are not capable to understand the mechanism. So listen, देखो ना, देखो. So first कौन हो जी? So first of all, see what will happen. First, as I said before, in the bacteria, Bacillus see, I just repeated that last class. Last class जाइला मु ताको ही repeat करती ताकि you just try to understand the whole mechanism. Then you will know about the BT crops, BT cotton, the flavor saver tomato, etc., etc. So see, Bacillus thuringiensis, it's a bacteria. Bacillus thuringiensis, it's a bacteria. Clear? So in this bacteria, it having a gene that is cryogene. Bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis having a gene that is cryogene, and that cryogene it produce a protein that is cryoprotein. Bacillus thuringiensis, it's a bacteria that having a gene that is cryogene, and this cryogene it produce a protein that is called cryoprotein. Clear? Then see, what is the function of cryoprotein? What is the function of cryoprotein? So the function of cryoprotein is the function of cryoprotein is it help it destroy or kill the pest insect. It kill the pest insect. So the function of cryoprotein is it destroy or kill the pest insect. Clear? So see, first of all, try to understand what do you mean by pest insect. What do you mean by pest insect? So see beta, pest insect means what? See, pest insect means what? The insect that have the ability to destroy the plant. See, what do you mean by pest insect? Pest insect means what? The insects that have the ability to destroy the plant. जो insect plant को destroy करूची, that is called as pest insect. That is called as what? Pest insect. So what is the function of cryoprotein? It helps to kill the pest insect. आ काम कौन बेटा से pest insect कौन करिवो? Kill करिवो. Clear up to this? Clear? Then see, so what do you mean by BT crops? BT crops माने कौन? देखो बेटा, BT crops माने कौन? So, BT crops means what? The crop that having cryoprotein is called as BT crops. It's not the appropriate definition, but it's because of your understanding level. तुमको बुझे पे कहली मु हैला. BT crop माने कौन बेटा? The crops that having cryoprotein हैला. So scientist माने कौन कहले? What will happen? See. So see, suppose this is the bacteria. This is the bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis, and it having which protein? Cryoprotein. है ना? So ये कौन कुछ बेटा अपन कौन रोज बेटा? Cryoprotein. Clear? So see. scientists, what will happen, the scientists they just take the cryoprotein from the bacteria. से मैंने कौन कले बेटा आ देहरु बैक्टीरिया रो कौन कले cryoprotein नेले हैला. They just drag the cryoprotein from the bacteria and insert the cryoprotein in the crop. से मैंने कोठी insert कले crop रे insert कले हैला. So see, so suppose this is the crop plant. एटा कौन बेटा crop plant हैला. So कौन कहले बेटा, they just drag the cryoprotein from the bacteria and insert the cryoprotein into the crop plant. Could insert kale crop plant insert kale. So what is the function of cryoprotein? It helps to kill the pest insect. What is pest insect? It destroy the plant. Plant उसे कौन करची बेटा destroy करची. So when we insert the cryoprotein into the crop plant, तामने इठे कौन रहिला बेटा cryoprotein रहि गला हैला. So if certain pest insect, जदि if the pest insect that will attack the plant हैला, से plant को attack करिवो कोन पे destroy करिया पे. So cryoprotein कोन करिवो से pest insect को kill करिवो. So that is a way the plant that will save and that have the ability to increase its resistance power. Clear हैला कोन कहली. So see, so the scientists they will drag the cryoprotein and insert into the crop plant so that the crop plant have the ability to increase its resistance power through killing the pest insect. बुझिलो से कौन कला ता देहर it also because it having the cryoprotein हैला ता देहर कौन रोज बेटा cryoprotein रोजी. So that is the reason that it has the ability to kill the pest insect. से कौन करे बेटा पेस्ट इंसेक्ट को क्लियर करिवो. क्लियर. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट द बीटी क्रॉप्स हैला एंड द डेरिवेशन और द मेकानिज्म ऑफ क्रायोप्रोटीन as I said before. द लास्ट कहली कौन कहली क्रायोप्रोटीन कोठु बाहर जी बैसिलस संगरजनस रे कौन रहउची क्रायोप्रोटीन रहउची हैला. So it's in last class I discussed about all these things कहिथिली but it whiteboard अछि. So it's better to understand you. तो मेरा भल से बुझी पारथिबो हैला. So देखो again I repeated. देखो again I repeated, Bacillus thuringiensis it's a bacteria and that having a gene that is cry gene, and cry gene it produces a protein that is called cryoprotein. Clear. So what is the function of cryoprotein? The function of cryoprotein is it helps to kill the pest insect. What do you mean by pest insect? Pest insect means those insects that kill the plant or that cause harmful for the plant है जो insect गुड़ा को plant पे harmful, that is called as pest insect. Clear. So what do you mean by BT crops? BT crop, why it is called BT? Because it derived from the Bacillus thuringiensis. That's why called as BT. Why it is called as crops? Because it apply in the plant. That's why it is called as crop. Clear. So what do you mean by BT crop? BT crop means what? The scientists they will drag the cryoprotein from the bacteria. They will drag mane कौन रे बाहर करिया हैला. They will drag the cryoprotein from the bacteria and insert that cryoprotein to the crop plant. Clear. Then what will happen? The crop plant that having the cryoprotein. Clear. So then when the pest insect that attack the plant, जेतेबेले pest insect कौन करे बेटा plant को attack करिवो, what will happen? The plant it increase its resistance power because it having the cryoprotein. हैला देन कोन करबो से द क्राई प्रोटीन किल द इंसेक्ट हैला सो इन दैट वे द प्लांट इंक्रीज इट्स रेजिस्टेंस पावर एंड इट हैज द एबिलिटी टू प्रोटेक्ट इटसेल्फ फ्रॉम द बैक्टीरिया सॉरी पेस्ट इंसेक्ट हैला से कोन करबो पेस्ट इंसेक्ट रु तमरो प्लांट को प्रोटेक्ट करबो क्लियर बुझिलो तो माने बुझी पालक रे अंकिता विश्वजीत अपो सब बुझिलो कि नै तमे आज्ञा अरे तुम बुझी पालो कि
यस मैम
तमे थरे पचाले कहबो नै मैं चार थर पचाले कहला केमिति हबो देन देखो बुझिलो तो माने सुखदेव बोल ना बुझी पालो बेटा कौन पढ़ाला देन देखो नेक्स्ट आस बेटा नेक्स्ट होची कोन ट्रांसजेनिक एनिमल्स दिस इज द टुडेस टॉपिक हैला ट्रांसजेनिक एनिमल्स देखो transgenic animal so see transgenic animal means what last class I said about the transgenic organism कहतिली transgenic माने कोन बेटा ट्रांसफर हैला देखो transgenic animal means what when we transport the gene from one animal to another animal see suppose this is animal 1 sorry you can say A and this is animal B clear so when we transport the gene from animal A to B when we transport the gene from animal A to B that is called that process is called as transgenic animal listen what is transgenic animal when we transport that gene or you can say when we transport the DNA from animal A to animal B that is called as transgenic animal clear so dekho so what is the benefit of transgenic animal what is the benefit of transgenic animal see the benefit of transgenic animal is so we consider what is the benefit of transgenic animal the benefit of transgenic animal is for the benefit of human being for the benefit of human being see suppose cow clear it's animal A it's animal A another cow it's animal B suppose this cow has the ability to produce amount of milk आर कौन थे बेटा amount of milk produce करबो हैला and this cow has the ability to produce less amount of milk ये कौन करे बेटा less amount of milk produce करबो clear so हम कौन कहली transgenic animal means the transfer of DNA from one animal to another animal हैला so what will happen see so the scientists they will same thing they just take the respective DNA कौन करे बेटा आठु डीएनए नेबे हैला हम जानि तुम पढितो बोले बॉटनी रे डीएनए विषय रे हैला तुम पढनो पचारियो मैडम हैला कौन करे बेटा they will drag the DNA from the respective cow हैला then they insert the DNA into the cow B से माने कौन करे बेटा cow B रे insert करबे so this character is the production of milk character is transferred into cow B कोड को आसला बेटा cow B के आसला so what will happen in cow B so gradually that means after some time or after some day this cow has the ability to produce amount of milk clear So this milk is benefit for the human being. क्या पे benefit हला? Human being पे benefit हला. Understand what do you mean by transgenic animal? Clear? Again I repeat it. See beta. In cow B, suppose cow A, it has the ability to produce amount of your milk. Clear? And cow B, it has the ability to produce less amount of milk. Clear? So when we will just drag or we will take the respective DNA, respective माने कौन बेटा जो DNA और जो gene responsible for the production of milk है ना हमें सेटा को ही नेबा ना है ना जो gene टा the gene which is responsible for the production of milk will just drag that gene है ना जो gene टा बेटा responsible milk production पे हमें ताको ही नेबा है ना then we just take the DNA and insert into the cow B. कोट insert करिया बेटा cow B रे insert करिया clear? Then after a few days, what will happen? The cow B it has the ability to produce amount of milk, and that is the benefit of transgenic animal. सर कोटर benefit बेटा transgenic animal रा benefit. बुझिलो बे? Then देखो. So the transgenic, this is the whole process, the transfer of gene from one animal to another animal that can be done by recombinant DNA technology. तुम पढ़ नो बोधे recombinant DNA technology हो ठीक अछि we'll discuss it later you too हला देखो कौन कहली बेटा rDNA. So again I repeated, see the transgenic animal process, the transfer of DNA from one animal to another animal that can be done by recombinant or you can say rDNA process. कौन कहली बेटा rDNA process. So what do you mean by rDNA? Again I repeated, recombinant DNA technology. rDNA means what? See, if we combine the two DNA of different organism है ना देखो suppose A B है ना so recombinant means what? The combination of two DNA to produce new DNA. दुईटा DNA combine कौन produce करबे new DNA करबे that is called as what? rDNA technology. Clear? So see बेटा suppose we will take the DNA from A हमें कोठु नेबा A को नेबा then we will insert the DNA into a vector. You just recall that Escherichia coli, E. coli mu कहithili bodhe hela E. coli रे कोन करबा बेटा insert करबा हला so E. coli it also having DNA तार भी DNA थिबो कि नै कहला you just try to understand beta first from A we will take the respective DNA or you can say desired DNA from A we will take the desired DNA we will take the कौन बेटा desired DNA then desired DNA means what it's our necessary DNA जो DNA हमको दरकार ताको कौन कहबे बेटा desired DNA कहबे clear so we will take the desired DNA clear then we just insert the desired DNA into a vector means it's act like a messenger or you can say it just carry the DNA हैला it कौन हो बेटा it also having DNA vector रे DNA थिबो कि नै कहला so कौन होबो there is the combination of two DNA कौन हो बेटा एठी combination of two DNA and it produce the new DNA and that is called as what rDNA clear and this rDNA that this will insert into the next animal this rDNA insert into the next animal so you can say this is the cow A this is cow B clear so the transgenic animal process that can be done by rDNA technology. Clear? rDNA technology. Again, I repeated, this is the cow A and we will just take that desired DNA. Understand? Desired gene means what? The gene which we want. जो gene टा आमो इच्छा बेटा आमो जो gene दरकार ता कौन कहबे desired gene कहबे ठीक अछि so this desired gene will insert into the vector कौन थिबो DNA थिबो so the two DNA they are combined to form rDNA then that rDNA insert into the next animal clear so for the production of or the for the benefit of human being हैला कौन benefit हो बेटा human being ର benefit होबो understand the transgenic animal process बुझि परलो देखो then see the steps involved in transgenic animal process देखो बेटा, द स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व देखो कौन कहली steps involved in transgenic animal process. Clear? So as I said before, the transgenic animal process, it can be done by rDNA technology. Clear? So the first step is isolation of desired DNA, or you can say desired gene. Isolation of desired gene. Clear? Then see, then the next one is isolation means what? Isolate kore, that means bahar kore. Clear? So isolation of what? Beta desired gene. Then insert that desired gene into the vector. Could insert kore? Vector insert kore. Then what will happen in vector? There is a production of rDNA. Con produce of beta rDNA. Then that production of rDNA insert into the foreign animal. Foreign means what? Only animal insert kariba hala. So that is the process of production of transgenic animal. Hala. So the transgenic animals, that whole process can be done by rDNA technology, recombinant DNA technology. बुझलो? तुम माने बुझलो कि रे?
Yes, ma'am. हाँ, ma'am.
Very very good. देखो नेक्स्ट होची फार्मिंग. फार्मिंग farming. Farming means what? The process of using of transgenic animal so see just 1 minute. अपन तो नौकला टाइम ला हम कौन करिए ठंडा ही लगा हेलो गरम कर दो नष्ट कर दो मेरे हम से ग्लास रख के ना डालो इधर फॉल में खाई से तुम मुक्त हो ताकि खिला तो ये भूल लिए वो ले लेनी हम अपने नहीं टाइम में स्मॉथ नहीं गरम करते दीदी जन को रखी ना मैं मार ठीक है मैडम को क्लास में से को जाए मैडम मैडम थी ना देखो बेटा what do you mean by farming? Farming means what? The process of using of transgenic animal for the purpose of commercial product. Commercial means what? For the purpose of business. Commercial means what? Whatever the product we just want to you just want to use it in the commercial product. Commercial माने कौन बेटा कौन रे बिजनेस रे ही लगेबाटा हला देखो the production of milk हला हमर मिल्क प्रोडक्शन होची what is the purpose of the production of milk जदि बहुत हला हम कोन कर परता बिजनेस लगे परिया कि नहीं कमर्शियल पर्पस रे सपोज यू कैन से दैट द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ चिकन चिकन बाहर चिकन है बहुत बाहर हो so what is the product of this chicken the using of transgenic animal they will use it in the commercial purpose कौन करे बेटा कमर्शियल दुकान आने बिक्री करिए कि नहीं so की बेनिफिट पाइला हमें बेनिफिट पाइला जे बिक्री करछि से बेनिफिट पाइला हां कि नहीं so farming means what the process of using of transgenic animal into the commercial product कौन भाई बेटा the process of using of transgenic animal into the commercial product or simply you can say that otherwise what is other definition of what farming the process of using of transgenic animal for the benefit of other animal हला आ गोटे animal रे benefit हे परिबो हला so see the example suppose we'll take the two example that is cat and mouse so transgenic animal means what transgenic animal means the transfer of gene from one animal to another animal कौन कहली बेटा गोटे animal आ गोटे animal कौन हला transfer हला that is called as transgenic animal हला so see what is the benefit of transgenic animal in this case see the example the scientists they will take the gene from the cat and insert into the mouse कोड insert कले mouse रे insert कले हला so that transgenic mouse is called as what your super mouse ता कौन बोली कहे बेटा super mouse कहे हला so what is the benefit that means what are the use of that gene in the mouse हला ए जो gene टा आपने नेले what is the reason किछु reason थिबार नेले ना मु कौन कहली the reason is that so by inserting the gene into the mouse हला by inserting the gene into the mouse it has the ability to dilute the blood vessel हला आर blood vessel उडा कोन बेटा clot हे जाउथिबो हला तो ये जीन टा आधे रे insert कले कोन हला it has the ability to dilute the blood vessel of the mouse again I repeat it try to understand when we will drag the respective gene from the cat हमें cat को कौन ले बेटा gene ले ले and insert that gene into the mouse and that mouse is called as what super mouse then what is the characteristic of the super mouse as we insert the for the mouse it is the for it the gene is the foreign gene mouse by gene टा कौन हो बेटा foreign gene हो माने बाहर आसिला ना हला so the super mouse it has the ability to dilute the blood vessel of itself ता देहरे जहाँ भी blood vessel थिबो सेटा कौन करे बेटा dilute करबो clear so gene टा benefit हला कि नहीं mouse पाई that is called the super mouse ता कौन बोली कहबे super mouse बोली कहबे बुझिलो ना कौन हला हला then देखो so complete your what transgenic animal then come to the biopotent माने कौन देखो biopotent means what see biopotent biopotent means what a patent See, so it's an important short note hela. See, a patent is the right or power granted to an inventor to prevent others from commercial use of his invention. Again I repeated, see beta, a patent is the right or power granted to an inventor to prevent others from commercial use of his invention. That means, see, a patent is a right or power granted to an inventor. Inventor means what? Who just derive or what discover some new thing. जदि किसी गोटे नुआ जिनस बाहर कर ताको हम कोन कहउछन रे इन्वेंटर कहउछन कि नहीं हला. सो कोन बेटा inventor, see, a patent is a right or power granted to an inventor hela. Inventor mane kon beta je kichi invent korchi, je kichi abiskar korchi hela, those person who just invent the new things hela. गोटे पर्सन जदि न्यू थिंग्स बाहर कला हम कोन कहबा बेटा इन्वेंटर कहबा. सो इफ द इन्वेंटर हैज द पावर, जदि गोटे इन्वेंटर रो पावर रहिबो कोन पई to prevent others from the commercial use of his invention हैला. कोन बेटा तार से जहा जिंसो इन्वेंट करी छी ताकू जेमिति अन्य को यूज न करि पारे कमर्शियल पर्पस रे, तार सेठी कोन छै राइट्स अछि और पावर अछि. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पेटेंट. Again I repeated about the patent. See beta, patent means what do you mean by inventor? Inventor means who invents some new thing. Clear? So if the inventor has the rights or you can say have the power to prevent the respective invention for the commercial purpose to others हैला. जदि तार सेतिकी पावर थिबो कि अन्य जने तार प्रोडक्ट को कमर्शियल पर्पस रे यूज करि परिबो नाही, then it has other person has no rights to use the product of this inventor. Suppose si देखो जदि कोन कहल बेटा एठी जदि शिल्पा मैडम गोटे जिंस बाहर कले हैला, तो ताकू तुम माने प्लस 2 स्टूडेंट कोन करबो ताकू चाहेबो कि कमर्शियल पर्पस रे यूज करिया पई. बट I have the ability, मोर एबिलिटी थिबो कि तमरो जिंस को माने मोर राइट्स थिबो, तमे से जिंस को माने मो ताके जिंस को तमे जेमति कमर्शियल पर्पस रे यूज न करि पारिबो, तो से जिंस को मु कोन करि पारि बेटा प्रिवेंट करि पारि. प्रिवेंट माने कोन रक्षा करि पारि तमठु. बुझिलो ना मु कोन कहली हैला. देखो बेटा कोन कहली सपोज मु के जिंस ओडे हियर आई एम द इन्वेंटर, मु एठी कोन हेली बेटा इन्वेंटर हेली cause I invented new things. मु कोन कहली बेटा एक नुवा जिंस इन्वेंट करली हैला. So if I invented new things, so that is the reason I called as inventor. मु कोन हेली बेटा एठी इन्वेंटर हेली. सो कोन हबो मोर पावर अछि, मोर राइट्स अछि कि मो जिंस को तमे माने कमर्शियल पर्पस रे यूज करि परिबो नाही. क्लियर? That is called as patent. ता कोन कहबे बेटा patent कहबे. क्लियर? So see, take another example. Suppose in between India and USA, in between India and USA, see, India, we know that our country is a traditional and cultural country. Amar kon beta traditional cultural ke nahi कहलो, we know the use of neem. निम्ब गछ जानछ कि नहीं, तार बेनिफिट कोन तमा जान थिबो हैला. छाड़ो हळदी रो काम को जानछ कि नहीं हैला. So we just simply take the example of neem plant. कौन example बेटा neem plant रो हैला. So see, the India government it know the use of neem plant. ये कौन जानछ बेटा neem plant रो use जानछ हैला. So India has the rights to prevent the neem plant. आर कौन रहियो बेटा neem plant रो केमिति प्रोटेक्ट करबो ये भल से जानथिबो, ताकि यूएसए भी केमिति कोड खबर पाई जायथिबो. It also have the you know you will get the information regarding neem plant. ये जानि देबो neem plant बेनिफिट कोन हैला. तो इंडिया रा काम कोन, it will protect the neem plant from others हैला अन्य सब कंट्री रू से कौन करे बेटा नीम प्लांट को प्रोटेक्ट करिवो so that our country has the neem plant and it will produce a number of medicine from the neem plant ये कौन करे बेटा नीम प्लांट माने मेडिसिन प्रोड्यूस करिवो then what will happen it will sell the neem plant to the USA से कौन करिवो USA को सेल करिवो तो बेनिफिट काहरला will get the benefit अब इंडिया रे कौन बेनिफिट हला कि नहीं suppose this neem plant will take by the USA USA कौन करे ना चोरी करी कि नेला ये भी मेडिसिन बाहर करबो तो कार बेनिफिट हबो यूएस रे बेनिफिट हबो इंडिया रे बेनिफिट हला कि नाही सो कौन करे बेटा इंडिया what do you mean by patent means what the inventor has power to prevent its product from others अन्य ठू सेता जिंसो कौन करे बेटा प्रोटेक्ट करि परिबो that is called as patent clear see the example of India and USA suppose India it has the neem plant आर कौन अछि बेटा neem plant अछि and we'll know about the benefit of neem plant हमें जानि छु benefit कोन हैला so India it has legal rights to protect its product हैला from others means you can say any type of country जो country से कौन करे बेटा protect करबो कहा को neem plant को same thing you can say other type of plant हैला जो भी plant को और it's not about plant it's all about you know the benefit beneficial product जो भी beneficial product को India has the rights to prevent from others USA Brazil Sweden etc from other country clear that is biopotent that process is called as what biopotent example hochi neem haldi etc example you will get all these example from the notes clear so it's all about today's class next onwards I think your zoology syllabus it's from my side I will try to complete my syllabus within 2 classes hela duta class e complete habo so for you the homework is that in one paper you just write down your doubts from human reproduction to biotechnology तमे कोन करे बेटा तुम गोटे पेपर रे तमरो डाउट जहां भी अछि दोज हु आर टेकिंग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हैला जो माने भी ऑनलाइन क्लास करूचो से माने कोन करिवो गोटे पेपर रे you just write down all your doubts regarding this human reproduction to biotechnology clear then one by one we will discuss it गोटे क्लास में डिस्कशन करबी तमरो जहां डाउट अछि ठीक अछि सुनि पालो कि नै कोन कहला
Yes, ma'am.
Very good so thank you all of you thank you so much
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ni ba school? Siguro certa.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.